does have your typical older style Honda key fob. With your 16-inch 7-spoke alloy wheels. This one does have a light blue exterior color with a black cloth interior. Let's go ahead, start this one up. Starts up beautiful. Has a 3-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. Has an automatic transmission with sport mode, emergency brake, this one does have 44,669 miles on it. Let's go and cut on the headlights, high beams, and the fog lights, as well as the hazards. Fully automatic driver's side window. Spacious trunk. Storage area over here, as well as over here. Little clip right here where you can attach a cargo cover, as well as some storage in here. For a car of this nature, the back seat is not too cramped, but it's also not the most comfortable position in the world. However, the middle seat does have a hump in it, so it is a little bit difficult. You're going to have to be friends with the rear passengers on either side because you're going to kind of have to use their space for your legs. A small cup holder back here, some storage here. But the seats are a very soft cloth design. This seat right here is all the way back, as well as this one. And me sitting in a pretty upright position with my feet under the seat, I do get a nice pocket, but that is about it in the back seat. You do also get a cup holder right there. The Fit is Honda's entry-level hatchback. It's been around since 2007, and this is the second generation of the Honda Fit. This one ran from 2009 until 2013. All of that changes when you get into the passenger seat because you do have a very good amount of space. With this seat all the way back, I feel so far away from the dashboard. Very, very good amount of space using in the driver as well as front passenger seat. All of your radio controls are right here. You can look through the title of the song. So basically what you have to do is you just have to tune it to a radio station you like. And then you can basically change where you want it things. So you can edit the entire radio output. Balance, SVC, and it also tells you who is singing the song and what it's called. Auxiliary import right here. You can scan through all of the different stations. Aux cable. CD input right there. Passenger airbag indicator. As well as 2 glove boxes, and you can also put a little iPod in there right there. Your main glove box, it is a little bit small, but it does have plenty of room for your Honda owner's manual. Cup holder right here next to the vent. Rear defrost. Air conditioning. Recycling. 12-volt power outlet down here, as well as 2 cup holders. Your gear shift is right here. Your emergency brake. Storage right here, right here, right here, and there's a cup holder back here. The driver's seat also does have a retractable armrest, because there is no center console to rest your arm on in this particular model. It does have a descriptive gauge cluster. You can see the speedometer goes all the way up to 140. Not that you would be doing that at all in a Honda Fit. Your gears do display right here. Your trip, miles to empty, oil life, and then your miles that you currently have. It is also a fully retractable one. The sun visor does retract as well. Manual dim rearview mirror. Side curtain airbags. As well as a grab handle. This is about as close as I can get to the front of the car. I do apologize for that. Your fog lights down below, just standard halogens. Halogen headlights, halogen parking lights, halogen turn signals, and your standard Honda grille. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine really quick. There's your standard Honda VTEC engine. Stepping back inside. Let's go ahead and see how this one sounds. That's going to conclude our in-depth tour, walk around, startup, and exhaust clip of the 2010 Honda Fit Sport.